Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through my 4 palette. So only 4 colors today that I will be using, and I'm going to start off by setting my skin and getting it ready to go. Just kind of give my makeup something to kind of stick to, and then I go back and I set it at the end. So that has been a little trick for me. So I'm going to start off by bringing back structure into my face. So you can see I have some natural shadowing. So all I'm going to do is enhance those shadows. And I'm going to go in with my Detail Hack brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for contour. And I'm just going to place the product on, and then I will worry about blending it out. So I like to put it kind of in this kind of triangle shape, a little bit down my temples, right there underneath my jawline, just a little bit, down my nose, so I can really sculpt that out, and under my lip. So I'm gonna just go now and kind of soften these lines. I'm gonna take this top one and I'm stippling, but I'm kind of pulling up while I stipple. And so I'm just kind of pouncing or stamping it, and this line I'm just kind of pulling towards my nose, just softening it. And then same thing here, I'm just pouncing over it. And now I'm just going to really pounce this out. Pounce, 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 over and over. And you can kind of flick upwards a little bit once you pounce it out. So I'm just pounce, 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 pounce. Okay, so super easy. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to take my brightening highlight and I'm going to pop a little bit there, here, here. One dot right there, a little bit between those lines, Cupid's bow, and right here. And I'm just gonna let it warm up. So I'm really wanting to draw in light kind of into this section right here, and then really shadow and sculpt out my cheeks right there. So I'm just gonna pull that down just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my main shade, and I'm just going to place it where there's no other colors. Right there and there. Make sure it's there. So I'm just letting it warm up. And now I'm going to stipple. I'm going to stipple downwards. And I'm showing you how quick and easy this is. Working out of just this one palette makes it super easy to travel with as well. So we have a couple different sizes. So depending on the colors I might recommend for you, yes, I do custom color matches. Then, and now I'm just stippling underneath. Just stipple, 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 very, very lightly. So I always recommend holding your brushes middle to back end, and you're gonna have the lightest hand with that. Just gonna stipple that out, pull that down. And this is like a dream. I try not to really pull under my under eyes, but more stipple, because that skin is just so, see how I'm taking this? I'm just kind of dusting it to kind of soften that highlight color, okay? Perfect. So now we're gonna add our lip and cheek. And I am going in with Madrid, which is so pretty. It's one of my new favorite colors. It looks good on everybody. Here is my face, all in one palette. So now I'm just going to go ahead and set my skin so I can be done for the day. And we're good to go. So 4 colors, that's it.